and here is the load. There is a simple, in similar way the diagram is that it is a voltage, it is a positive cell, a positive electrode of cell, negative electrode. The positive electron through a limiting resistance Rs is joined to Zener. Yes, it is negative side of Zener, and this side is joined to negative. The Zener is reverse biased. Okay, and it is a load. It is parallel to Zener. So this voltage varies. What will be? A current will flow Is, and here the current will be in two parts. We divide into in the two branches. It is load, two branches. To this load it is IL, and to this Zener it is IZ. It is Kirchhoff's law. Okay. Then when the voltage fluctuates, what happens? You will see voltage here also will fluctuate. Okay, but one thing you see, just take a problem either doing the theory, say when voltage will fluctuate, okay, you will try to fluctuate voltage here, but you Zener, you see in this circuit, in this figure you see current increases here without fluctuation of voltage, same voltage here. So when the current increases there, say Is increases, what will happen? Is is equal to AC, Iz plus IL, Iz plus IL. Okay. So Is can increase two ways. Either Iz will increase or IL will increase, or both. Okay. Now, if say Is increases, and you have to maintain a same load, same voltage across the load, same voltage across the load RL. IL RL should remain constant. IL RL should remain constant. But when current increases, IL tend to increase. But if this voltage, when it is Zener is operating breakdown voltage, say 6 volt, breakdown region, then what will happen? You see, in Zener breakdown region, we know our figure at 6 volt in the breakdown voltage, current gets increases, voltage does not. So the increase in current here will not go to the load, it will go to the Zener. Go to the Zener, yes, Iz. Yes, Iz plus I. When Iz increases, IL to remain the voltage constant here, IL RL across the load, it is stabilized to voltage. So what you have to do? Yes, V0 is equal to Vs plus VL. Here voltage across Zener and voltage across load. VL, when IL remain constant, IL RL VL remain constant, and VL remain constant means VZ VL is equal to VZ. They are same voltage. Okay, so keeping VL constant or VJ constant, you can increase the current. But this current, what will go? Most of the current will go through this Iz, because we know if the current increases to Iz, voltage will not increase because it is the breakdown region. Diode is in the breakdown region, voltage will not increase, but current will increase. So increase in current due to increase in voltage will be only effect that the increased current will pass through the Zener without any change across the Zener voltage. Vz remains constant. It is the breakdown region voltage. So IL and VL remain constant. So we get a constant voltage across the load, and the voltage is stabilized. Here the situation is this here. Is on Iz plus I, Vg equal to Vs plus Vz is Vs plus VL. Yes, Vz and VL are same. So if V0 increases, or V0 equal to, and Vs means voltage difference, voltage across this current limit, it is called current limiting resistance. It is limiting resistance. So it is ISRS. So V0 equal to ISRS plus ILRL. So V0 minus ISRS is equal to VZ. ILRL is equal to VZ. So VZ remains same always, say 6 volt. Okay. So if V0 increases, ISRS should be increased in such a manner that VZ remain constant. What will be? This RS should be chosen in that manner. RS should be chosen in such a way that 0 minus ISRS remains always VZ. Yes, it is RS, it is current limiting resistance. It has a vital role to play. Okay, and so current remains, voltage remains stabilized here. Here is a simple example.